Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Venmo on your iPhone. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money quickly and easily. To get started, you will need to download the Venmo app from the App Store. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Venmo. Click the Get button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You will be prompted to sign up or log in if you already have an account. To sign up, tap Sign Up and enter your phone number or email address. You will receive a verification code that you will need to enter to verify your account. Next, you will be asked to add your bank account or card information to fund your Venmo account. To add a bank account, tap Add Bank Account and enter your bank routing and account numbers. You can also add a credit or debit card by tapping Add Card and entering your card information. Once you have added a funding source, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen and enter the recipient's phone number, email address, or Venmo username. You can also scan the recipient's Venmo QR code to send money. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note to describe the payment. To receive money, make sure your Venmo account is funded and that you have a verified phone number or email address. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be added to your Venmo balance. You can then transfer the funds to your bank account or use them to make purchases. It is also important to note that Venmo offers a number of security features to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and encryption. To enable two-factor authentication, go to the Settings menu and tap Security. Then, tap Two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to enable it. In addition to sending and receiving money, Venmo also allows you to purchase items from authorized merchants and split bills with friends. To purchase an item, tap the Pay button and enter the merchant's phone number or Venmo username. You can also split a bill by tapping the Pay button and selecting the friends you want to split the bill with. Overall, Venmo is a convenient and secure way to send and receive money on your iPhone. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can easily manage your finances and make payments to friends and merchants.